So for this question 30a, we are going to solve indices equation. In order to solve indices equation, we need to change the base to become the same base. Then only we can equal their power in order to find out what is the x. So when we say solving, means we are going to find out what is their x value. So from here, we can see 27 obviously is a 3 to the power of 3. 125 is a base 5 number, 5 to the power of 3. So this one can change to base 5. This is base 3, base 3, base 5, and base 3. So obviously this question is involving two bases. This is base 3 and base 5. So for 27, 3 to the power of 3, then 5 to the power of 3. So together, both of them, 3 over 5, power of 3. So for this second, 25 over 9, it is equals to 5 over 3 power 2. Meanwhile, for this, it will 3 over 5 power 2. And for this, it's equals to 5 over 3 power of 4. So after we change it to the simplest base, now we can simplify our indices here. Here, it will getting 3 over 5 power of 6. Meanwhile, for this, 5 over 3 power of 8x. Here is 3 over 5 power of 2x minus 6. So when you have power and power again, we will multiply it. Power and power again, so we multiply it 2x, and then 2 times 3, negative 6. So for the last part here will be 8. Then we will start gather back our indices which are same. So from here, I will remain the indices base 5 over 3 at the left hand side. So I will move this to the left hand side. It will become dy. So for this indices 3 over 5, base 3 over 5, I will move it to the right hand side, so it will divide. When we have the division between indices, the power will be minus. So therefore, for this 5 over 3 indices, 8x minus 8. For this 3 over 5 indices, it will become 2x minus 6 and minus 6 again. So it will become minus 12. So now we can see, we can simplify it to become a single indices. But for this, both single indices, they are in different base. Just inverse it. So I want to change it to the same base. I will remain it as 5 over 3. So when I inverse it, means this is 5 over 3 power to negative. So negative will time the remaining power. Power and power again, so we will time remaining power. So finally, we get our indices into the same base, and our power here will be simplified, become negative 2x plus 12. So finally, we can equal our power, which is 8x minus x equals to negative 2x plus 12. Simplify this, move your x to the left hand side, so add together get 10. Move this 8 to the right hand side, add together we get 20. Therefore, x will equals to 2. So we see what concept we need here in order to solve these questions. For the first one, will be the marks for concept for base, changing it to the simple base. So when you can change everything to the simple base, so you get another one for your answer. Then we are moved to looking at how you try to simplify to get single base here where you can get your 3 over 2, 3 over 5 base and inverse it. So this is how you get another concept here to become a single base here where your power, when you divide, power is minus, and come to the answer of this stage. Lastly, change it to same base and then you can equal the power to solve the x. So that's all for our 30A.